Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram message icon not opening problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Click on message icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram message icon opening problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.